Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. My god, it has been ages since I've sat down and just spoken to you guys. So I thought I would just do my makeup, get ready for the day and just have a bit of a catch up with you all because I feel like there's so much that has happened that I feel like I haven't told you guys. And I am also making a huge announcement today. It's probably like the biggest announcement in my online life ever. And I'm so excited to tell you guys. So I'm just gonna start getting ready. All the products that I will use will be listed below, but I'm not gonna like mention them as we're having a catch up, but they will be linked and listed in the description box. But let's get straight into it. By the way, I'm on Instagram, I'm also on TikTok, so please come and follow me on there because I post way more on there than I do on YouTube. But I started a little brand with my husband earlier this year, and it's called The Rising Circle. I'll leave all the details below, but basically we have been working on something really exciting. This is something that I've struggled with for years, and it's something that Vex has done for over half of his life, and that is journaling. And we have created our very own self-help journal. This is a daily journal that can last you up to 6 months, and it is honestly a labor of love. It's something that I've poured my creativity into to make it really fun and engaging because I've tried to journal for so many years. I will pick up a blank journal or I will buy like different journals and I just feel like I'm not engaged enough. They either ask me the same questions every day or there's too much going on the page, or I feel like my mind is just blank and I have no kind of direction to know what to put in the journal. So the reason why this journal is different from everything else is because we've taken what Vex is like an expert at and my struggles of it and created a journal which is truly our baby. This is actually what it looks like at the front. So it's called The Greatest Self-Help Book, is the one written by you, and it's got daily journal here. This is just like a dummy, it's not the official one. It's gonna be in fabric. I will leave a link to where you can pre-order it from. So pre-orders start today, which is so incredible to say that out loud, and it's available worldwide. I'll leave all of the stockist details, everything you need to know about this journal, which is truly gonna transform your life. It's gonna help you do the work. It's gonna help to get all of your worries or feelings just out onto paper, because the act of putting your feelings onto paper is just transformational and it is truly magic. So I'm super excited to show you guys my little baby, and as I'm getting ready I will like tell you a bit more about it and how this came around, and also like all the places you can get it and it's stocked and stuff will be listed below. The reason why we decided to do this was because I wasn't really sure whether I wanted to put my energy into a beauty brand, because there are so many brands that I love already and that I have like favorite bases or favorite concealers and favorite lipsticks of, and I didn't want to create another product just to add to what we already have. However, one thing that I really struggled with, and I really needed something to like fix that for me, was journaling. And of course The Rising Circle, we are on YouTube, we're on Spotify, we are on Apple Music. We do lots of free meditations on there. There are guided meditations as well as just meditation music. So there's something for everyone. And that has been something that we've been working on this entire year. But in the background, we, over almost a year now, have been working on this. And I really truly hope it is the first of many purpose-led products, because I don't want to bring out anything, and neither does Vex. We don't want to bring out anything that is just for the sake of it. We truly want it to help. So if Vex's books have helped, or if you struggle with journaling, or even if you like journaling already, please go and check this out. It is going to be out on the 8th of December, but you can pre-order it now. The money doesn't leave your account until the day that it's shipped to you, so you don't need to worry about anything like that. But yeah, I'm just, as you can tell by my face, I'm super excited about it. Saying it out loud after keeping it a surprise for so long just makes me so happy. So that is the first thing that I wanted to tell you guys about. I feel like I haven't been this excited in ages, like ages. Probably the last time I was this excited was when Tupac came home. And speaking of Tupac, he has turned 3 years old. I'm gonna pop a little video up on the screen right now. I'm actually gonna pop a video up right here of when he went to his doggy daycare school this morning, and they've done a little like happy birthday Tupac sign for him, And he's just, I mean, he loves his life every single day, and I feel like he's taught so much to me. And even Vex, he's taught him so much as well. Speaking of Vex, he actually has a 3rd book coming out all about love and relationships, which I'm going to leave a link to in the description box as well. But the reason why I got into that was because his 3rd book is dedicated to Tupac, because he's taught him so much about love and relationships. And yeah, I can't wait to read his 2nd book, because it's been something that I've heard snippets of, like whilst I'm working or like in the office, or he's like read a little like section of it out to me to ask me my thoughts on it, and I'm just like, I want to know the rest. Like, I really want to read it. So yeah, that is another thing. Tupac turning 3, which I can't believe it. I can't believe how quickly the time has gone. He is really the one thing that like has taught me what unconditional love means. Like, it's weird, like I feel like I have unconditional love for so many people in my family, but he's made me realize it's so much more than what I thought it was, if that makes sense. I have been busy working on the journal with the entire Rising Circle team. We have a very small team, but we have literally, yeah, poured our soul into it. I'm just so excited for come. I've been sneakily like printing pages out myself and like journaling a little bit, like without the actual physical journal, but I'm so excited for it to come out. I actually cannot wait to place my order. I'm filming this like a few days earlier, but the day that you see it will be out for pre-order. I will be placing my order as well, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I was recently in Venice, and I went to Venice Film Festival, which was insane. I've never ever been to Italy before, and it's one of the places that's like on my bucket list of like going and like exploring. I love Italian food, and I feel like I'm always like, I feel like I travel depending on what the food is like. But yeah, I am so excited to go to Italy. Hopefully in the next like year or so, I'd love to go. But I had the chance of going to Venice with Shiseido, and it was such a magical time. I'm still sharing little snippets of the trip on my Instagram and my TikTok, so make sure you go and check them out. Do you guys watch long form content? Like, I quite like still filming like longer videos and videos that are like this way, landscape and not like vertical. But do you guys like it? Like, do you prefer like one app over the other, or do you prefer catching up on social media on like a certain platform? Because I would love to know. I feel like I'm a little bit lost when it comes to where do I post what on. Like, I try and do a mixture, but like sometimes it just doesn't work. I mean, I personally do still like YouTube, and I feel like there's always going to be a space for YouTube. And I feel like I've got so many of you guys on here who follow me, and I obviously don't want to neglect it. So I do try and post like some shorts on here every now and again, and I do try to post like once or twice a month, just so that you guys are like updated. But let me know your thoughts on what you think about YouTube and like long form videos, because I would love to know, because I wouldn't want to like waste my time like posting on like not on Instagram when you guys actually really love it. So I would love to know your thoughts on this. I really love this base. I know I said that I wasn't going to speak about like the products that I'm using, but I've been mixing the By Terry CC serum. This one's actually in the shade Apricot Glow, and I know I used the like bronzy version of this, but this glow one I think is so underrated. Like, my skin always looks so healthy whenever I use this, and I've mixed it in with the Ultraviolet Dream Screen Tinted Veil, and it's such like a lightweight formula. This is my skin up close and personal, and as always I film in natural daylight so you guys can see exactly what it looks like to like the real naked eye. But look how natural my skin looks. It's just so natural. I love it so much. So if you guys want to see any of my like get ready with me's and like a few snippets of the like amazing, we went to this like gala dinner, I did the red carpet, I wore an Indian outfit. As always, whenever I've had the chance to like do anything like red carpety, like I've always represented India, like my culture. I would highly recommend it to go and check out my Instagram so you guys can see all the amazing stuff that I got up to. I have also been addicted to eyelash extensions. As you can see, I've got my eyelash extensions still in. I got these done for Venice, and I think I'm gonna start using a lash serum after this and only get them done for like special occasions. I feel like most of this year I've had lash extensions in my eyelashes, and my lashes are still in really good condition, but I want to be that girl who has like amazingly natural lashes, like really long lashes. So I have ordered a product which hopefully should be coming soon that I'm going to test out once my lashes have fallen out. I know I said I wasn't going to talk about any of the products and I was going to link them all, but I've just picked up my eyeliner that I'm going to wear today, and it is probably one of the best liquid eyeliners I have ever used, and it is this one right here. It is the Vive Power Ink Liner. This is magical. So I always give it like a bit of a shake to like get the product warmed up, and I'm just going to pop it on and I will show you just how easy it is. So flick and flick. It is so black. Just gonna do like a little fake wing. It is so fine. Look at that. That looks like it's been like photoshopped jet black. I've been loving it recently. There's one thing that I think you guys should get from this like very natural everyday look that I'm doing, is this guy. Easy as that. It's jet black. It is like a proper ink. I'm sure I saw Jamie say it's like made in like Japan. I'm gonna do a little swatch for you guys so you can see exactly what it looks like. It is such precision. It is gorgeous. Because I have been so busy with the journal, I feel like I haven't been able to post that much, but now that things will die down a little bit, it will be much easier. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, to do a signing and meet and greet with the journal, which is, I genuinely can't wait for that. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, then please go and follow me on Instagram, because that is where I will be posting about any kind of like meet and greets or signings and things. And it will be Vex King and I together doing it, as long as he's free. But he's also doing a book tour, hopefully, for his book next year. So fingers crossed, everything works out and it falls into place. But I'm just excited to know what kind of content you guys want to see from me on YouTube, because that would help me out so much. This is new as well. I haven't, like, I've had it in my drawer for ages. This is the Lip Dew from Vive, and oh my god, why is this so, it's like a gloss but balm. It was my birthday recently as well, and I'm officially 34, which is crazy to think. I remember when I was so, like, a lot younger, and I was like, oh my god, 30 is like so old, and now I'm like, 30 is so young. And I just wanted to sit down and have a little catch up with you all. But that is it. That is my little life update. I hope you guys are all having an amazing start to autumn or fall. And yeah, I think that is everything. If there's anything I've forgotten, I will leave it listed and linked and typed up in the description bar. I just wanted to shout out another mention to the journal. This is honestly, I'm so excited for you guys to try this. It is something that just brings me so much joy, and it is, all the details will be on the risingcircle.com, because it is a Rising Circle product by Vex and I just can't wait for you guys to get it and for it to help you transform your self-help journey and your self-love journey, because this truly is magical. I actually forgot to mention earlier that one of the other reasons why this journal is so different to others is that every single day there are 2 different questions that it will ask you, and every 3 days there is an activity, and this activity is going to help in your self-help journey. We've actually had all of the exercises looked through via our therapist, and it is all like CBT therapy approved exercises that are going to just make you feel so much better. It's going to help you in your self-help journey. It's going to help you mentally. It's going to help you cultivate more gratitude, self-love in your life. And yeah, I just had to mention that because I was like, I can't forget the main things, because there's so much to like get into this video, but I couldn't forget that. And I'd like to say a huge thank you to Pan Macmillan, who are the guys who are publishing this with us. And in order for us to have this like available worldwide, we wouldn't have been able to do this without you guys. So massive thank you to the entire team who we've been annoying and emailing, and like it's been a long process. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to them, a massive thank you to you guys, because of course, without your love and support, I wouldn't be where I am today, and I wouldn't be able to create such beautiful things like this. And by the way, this is a dummy, there's like nothing in this, but I can't wait to show you guys the final journal when it lands in my hand. But thank you so much for watching. As always, all the products and everything that I've mentioned and all the products on my face will be listed below. But I think that's everything. I'm sending all of the love and gratitude from my heart to yours, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video.